Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out who and what is in the bag. All right. Well, we have a cross stitch. And we have a box. Okay, this bag comes from DPClubs, and if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's take the little box first. And these are $2.99. Get rid of the box. Save that little bubble wrap. We might use it for something. Who knows? Maybe. So it is a needle minder. And I'm not real sure how many different kinds they have or whatever. But for $3, I thought it was cute. Get rid of all the plastic and crinkling. So it is a strawberry. And it does have a protective covering on it, so it won't get scratched. But very nice. I just thought it looked really summery, and, you know, as cold as it's been, we need the little summer and spring in our life. So mostly summer, because that's when you get all the best strawberries. So yeah, it's nice and thick plastic, and does come with 2 magnets, which is good. I keep leaving them off of all the others I have, so I have like a stack of magnets, so I just grab one whenever I use whatever needle minder. But yeah, I just thought they were very well made. Very cute. We put that up there so it doesn't get lost. And then we have a cross stitch. I thought this was beautiful. It is 63 by 45. And I believe it's a 14 count. Okay. It is a Joy Sunday. And let me get, maybe, if I can get it all out of the bag. It is in that bag. I don't know that I'm going to get it back in that bag, but we'll try. Let me turn it over. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you ever? With all the flowers and all the blues and purples and pinks. And, of course, the greens. Ugh. To die for. To die for. So we'll see how much back stitching this has in it here in a minute. It has 2 keys. Top key goes to the paper pattern. Bottom key goes to the canvas. We have full stitch and back stitch. 52 total colors. You have 50 colors in full stitch and 4 colors in back stitch, so that's not too bad. I think they're just accentuating the flowers and maybe part of the building, that chair. Let's see, we have 310 black, no 550 purple, we have 666 red and 321 red. Let's see what else. Anything we know. We have 939, which is a dark blue. They're using B5200 and a crew for the whites. So at least this is full coverage. Nope, it's not full. I lied. It's not full coverage. So we'll see how much of that is open space on the flip side. It is divided into 8 pages. Since it's so big, it's 305 by 205 stitches. But yeah, no, there's just nominal back stitching like on those shutters. But like I said, most of it, let's get to that part, is in and around those irises. Aren't they gorgeous? Ugh. And there's nothing on the chair that I can see, so it's mostly in the flowers where that back stitching is. but it looks like it either just goes straight line or like around the thing, so we'll just have to see. Let's take a look at all these gorgeous threads. It does come on a good thread card with all the information of the product number, DMC number, how many strands you have, and the thread card number, of course. So there is your 3865, didn't mention that, 3865, B5200, and a crew are the lights. So we will see. But beautiful blues. It's like a cornflower blue. We have some oranges, or burnt oranges, greens, of course, and browns. There is your 939. And it does have 310 black. I was going to say they were using that for their black, but no, they got both. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. There's your 66 red. There's your 321 red, 310. Just beautiful, beautiful array of colors. I'd love to have that place to just sit out and stitch and let the world just melt away. Let's take a look at the canvas, and it is a partial. Okay, I couldn't tell from the picture. It's one of those weird partials. Give me just a second. Sorry about that. It was a little chilly today, so I brought my tea and I set it like right over here, and this is way too big, so I figured it was like an accident waiting to happen. Yeah, very nicely done. But like I started to say, it's one of those framed ones, you know, where part of the picture comes out on the side. So it's almost considered a partial. And I have it upside down. But it's kind of wide here. And the center part is completely solid. It's just they built another frame. So kind of weird, but I think it's pretty. Let's see, it is serged all the way around, if I didn't say that in the interim. It is 63 centimeters or 24 3/4 inches by 45.5 centimeters or 18 inches. And the actual picture, we're just guesstimating, is 37.5 centimeters or 14 3/4 inches by, this is where it's going to come in, 21 3/4 inches or 55 centimeters. So it's kind of nice and narrow and wide, but it is just fabulous. I love all the soft, beautiful colors. Ugh. And that tree over there is just to die for. And all the flowers that come in here, and the, I guess, vines and ivy-ish coming down here. It looks like a French courtyard is what it reminds me of. Just gorgeous. And I'll show you this up close so you can see how the printing is. We'll just fold it that way. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can, but very nicely done. Yes, it's going to have some confetti, so yeah, it'll take a hot moment, but just beautiful, beautiful results. We will be starting this today, so join me back here at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA. Yeah, and that is all that I got from DPClubs. Now, thank you, DPClubs, for that gorgeous kit, the lovely needle minder. We'll use both because they kind of go together, you know, the strawberry summer. That's just what that picture looks like. I know I should be getting things that are wintry, but no, not happening. Now, diamond painting. DPClubs has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They always have a wide selection and great prices. and usually great sales. I'm not sure what their sale is, but you will find that out in the beginning and in the description below. So do check them out. They always have a lot to offer. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.